Hey guys, it's Hilton here. I am re-recording this live and I'm going to get rid of my embarrassment and I'm going to delete the last live because I simply forgot to share my screen and I was blabbing away for so much time and then I only realized that nobody could really see what I was doing. So I am going to be showing you how I came across a need. I missed a Calendly appointment, and I was thinking, how can I prevent myself from missing a Calendly appointment? So I thought, let me see what we can do on Zapier by connecting Calendly to ManyChat. And so one of the things that I learned was now I'm going to go into this screen share and that'll make a lot more sense for everybody. Well, I'll leave that up for you. So first of all, I wanted to just show you a screenshot that I took. So when I was building this, I was struggling with getting the message sent to me. So I started off, I went to one of my chatbots and I went into the audience and I picked myself and I grabbed my user ID. And then when I made the zap, I didn't pick the same chatbot. I picked a different chatbot, my test chatbot, because I'm testing this out. And when I tested it, it didn't work. And so then I realized that the user ID for Hilton Davido in one chatbot is not the same user ID for Hilton Davido as in another chatbot. The whole time I've been thinking, for the last 2 years, I've been thinking that a subscriber's user ID is their messenger user ID. And that is not the case. And I've discovered that tonight. A user gets a unique ID with each page that they join. So I don't know. It'd be interesting if you just put it in the comments below if you knew that. I certainly didn't know that, but I do know that now. And you live and you learn. Anyway, so what I did is I have a Calendly account and I have like discovery calls that people can have a 30-minute discovery call with me. It's for free. And I've missed one of those. And so I got to thinking, what can I do by using Zapier to send a message to Messenger for me as a notification, because I'm in Messenger all the time. I don't go and check my Calendly frequently enough, obviously. So yeah, this is what I did. If I go to my trigger is going to be invitee create an event. So there's no actions in Calendly. There's only triggers. Somebody can correct me, but I could not find the actions in Calendly. So I can trigger when somebody cancels an event or if they create an event. And an event is basically if they go to Calendly and they pick a time and to schedule a call. So that's a very simple trigger. The action, I used ManyChat. So I used the very simple send text message to user. I just connected my ManyChat account. And then when I edit the template, first of all, I was trying to search for my name in a list, and I went into the chatbot and I did some conversations to try and refresh it, and I couldn't find it. So what I then did is just use a custom value, and then in the custom value for user ID, I went to my audience in the chatbot, picked up my user ID over here, came back to Zapier, dropped it in there, just create a little text message, and it's a prospect has scheduled an event. I don't think I have much more information. Well, I do actually. I could invitee named Hilton. What I can do is maybe do that. Hilton has scheduled an event. Boom. So I've just improved on my Zap. And then I'm just going to continue. And now I'm going to send a test to ManyChat. So I want you to look at the top tab here on Messenger. So that should ping. So the test is gone. There I got my ping. And if I click on my ManyChat, so I've done 3 tests and this is the 4th one. And I need a space in there. Hilton. So the first one was a prospect has scheduled, and now I've actually picked up the prospect's name from Calendly, which is awesome. And yeah, I guess I'd probably be able to pick up more stuff, but I don't want to take up your time. It's valuable, and you could experiment. But yeah. Let me bring the cam back on. So, hopefully that has given somebody an idea about being able to use a messenger chatbot for your own personal use. So as you can imagine, if you've got some kind of scheduling software, every time somebody schedules, just you will get that message that says that somebody's scheduled. And I hopefully will not miss another discovery call. Who knows what I missed out on, but I definitely missed the event. And I'm not happy about that. And so now I have set this in place. Cool. I am going to leave you with my fancy outro, and I will catch you the next time I come across something to share. Have an awesome day or night wherever you are. See ya.